Hello, welcome to Winchester.
Привет, добро пожаловать в Винчестер.
Hello, welcome to Winchester. My name is Sylvia Doby. I am an international student from South Carolina.
My name is Evgenia. I'm from Moscow in Russia.
My name's Presley Smith. I'm studying physiotherapy. It's my first year, and I'm from Canada.
So my first impression of Winchester was, it was rather small.
I've been to England before, but this is like the oldest part, so I thought it was amazing. A lot more hills than I was expecting. But it's just beautiful, all the old buildings and architecture, it's so cool. And the cathedral, oh.
It's nothing like you can find in the US, which makes it really thrilling and really inviting.
But overall, I love the city of Winchester. I love the streets. I love just generally like the vibes of walking around. It's a very historical place. So my first impressions of the uni in general was, I was sort of maybe a bit surprised with how friendly everyone was.
I was impressed. I wasn't expecting it to be so modern.
We have a church on campus, which is really fascinating to me because the one back home, we don't have that.
I loved the way the campus looks in general, so I loved the accommodation where I settled. I loved like the rooms, so in all in all, my impression was very positive. I feel like the best way to describe Winchester to someone who's never been here would be that it is a city of history. It's a place where history is treasured and very sort of preserved.
To describe Winchester in 3 words,
Walkable, quaint, lively.
Historic, beautiful, and just lovely.
I feel like it is very easy to get around anywhere basically from Winchester because there's a train station and there's also a big bus station that can take you basically to any neighbouring town or city, wherever you want.
I went to Bristol for a concert and it was super easy. We don't have trains in my province in Canada. My experience as an international student has been awesome.
I'm finding the uni kind of really amazing so far. So I'm loving the course I'm on and I'm loving the way it's structured.
Right when I arrived, the international students team was really helpful.
I'm loving all the multiple ways you can get support from not just like the lecturers, but from the other staff, from the student union and stuff. I love the uni life in general, so like there's a lot of activities for students, both international and home students. I go to the university gym, and that's a really great place. It's on campus, basically you don't have to go anywhere, and that's a really good place to go. You can meet people there.
My advice to international students to meet new people would be to join a society.
During the Welcome Week, there's a big fair of different societies, so it's a very great way to find out what places are there in the uni and to get an idea of what you can join.
So I'm in the volleyball society and I'm on the team as well, so that has helped me loads. It's like a little family. I think every society here is like that. They have, I don't know how many societies, but there's so many, like one for every single hobby that you could have.
It was a little daunting at the beginning coming from the US to here, not knowing a single person. I didn't come with anybody, all alone. So having the international group at the beginning really helped me find different people to talk to. Like after one of the international sections, me and a whole bunch of us decided to just walk into town together and we got to know each other that way.
Check out the international student support page as well. And if you email them, they could guide you to any person if you are struggling to meet people. There's literally an international support group. So I think that's the easiest way.
So the advice I'd give to any international student is don't be afraid to ask for help, because I found that whenever I needed help, I always got it. So whether you need help with your academic studies, because it's always a challenge to study abroad, you can always ask someone from the university. You can always ask the people, like your friends, your course mates. Everyone will be glad to help you.
Be yourself, and also don't mind going out of your bubble. Be more open to the people around you because you're here to make friends and explore.
My tips for homesickness, I'd say have a meal when you're homesick.
To tell somebody if they should do it or not, I would probably say,
do it. Just do it.
I feel like I've grown as a person.
I was scared to go to university in general, but I think education is a really good accomplishment. So education halfway across the world, you're learning new things. You're learning new things about a different place, different culture, meeting all types of different people, learning new words.
It's okay, it is scary. It is scary, but sometimes the most scariest thing have the best outcomes.